So I have the truck set up how they said to have it set up. A jack underneath the rear differential, no jack stands holding the frame up, and the springs are lowered so there's no tension on the springs. Alright, so this is gonna go over right here. So on this vehicle I actually have to take that bracket off to be able to get this on. Alright, so I'm going to tighten this up, and it comes with 2 discs. There's 2 thicknesses, there's 2 discs. For a little bit more load carrying and better handling, you can use the white one. For a lot more, then you can use the black one. Just tighten this down. So once I get this tight, then I can tighten down these nuts down here. Oh, I'm starting to see a gap. There we go. So there's the white one. Some people use a quarter. If I can go a little bit more. Alright, so overall these were actually pretty easy to install, not a big deal. The hardest part was probably taking that bracket off the back shackle, but it's not too bad. I did tighten up those bolts, I just didn't do it on camera, but not too bad. Alright, so everything went smooth with that kit. It went in pretty easily. It's really not that hard at all. As far as driving the truck, I only drove this truck for about half an hour before putting that kit in, so I don't know that it feels significantly different. It definitely feels good, definitely on the highway and even on the back roads. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. I do a lot of mechanical and upgrades and some body work, some stuff like that. So check those out. Thanks.